sports depend on nature. Grass or clay, city or country, mountains or oceans. Where we play is integral to what we love. We share these playgrounds with the wildlife and plants that sustain our world. But our global arena is at risk. But with the right teamwork, we can be part of the solution. In sport, teamwork is in our nature. With the same goal in mind, committing to each other and to something bigger than ourselves, we can change the game like never before and protect both nature and the sports we love. Sports for Nature is bringing together a global community of sports organizations taking action for nature. No matter what or where you play, this affects all of us, and it will take all of us to make a difference together.